If you're on the hunt for a fantastic 5G smartphone that won't break the bank, your search might just be over. Nokia is gearing up to launch a powerhouse of a smartphone that's packed with jaw-dropping features like a 150-megapixel DSLR quality camera and the blazing fast Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, all at a surprisingly affordable price. Yes, we're talking about the much-anticipated Nokia N73 5G. If you're curious about this device and thinking of grabbing one, make sure to stick around till the end of this video. Today, we're diving deep into the full leaked specs, price, and launch details of this incredible smartphone. Let's start. Features of the Nokia N73 5G. Nokia's latest gem comes with a stunning 6.95-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display that boasts a buttery-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate and an ultra-responsive 390 Hz touch sampling rate. But that's not all. This beauty also features an in-display fingerprint sensor and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus for added durability. And for those who love adventure, the phone is IP68 rated, meaning it's dustproof and water-resistant. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, because this is where the Nokia N73 5G truly shines. On the back, you'll find a triple camera setup, headlined by a whopping 150-megapixel primary sensor. It's joined by a 32-megapixel and a 10-megapixel camera, ensuring you capture every detail with stunning clarity. And for selfie lovers, there's a 32-megapixel front-facing camera. Performance. Under the hood, the Nokia N73 5G is powered by Qualcomm's most powerful chipset yet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite 5G. This beast of a processor ensures seamless multitasking, gaming, and more. And when it comes to software, you'll be running the latest and greatest, Android 15 straight out of the box. Battery life. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Nokia N73 5G packs a massive 6900 mAh battery that's built to last all day and then some. And when it's time to recharge, you'll be back in action in no time thanks to 100-watt fast charging and a USB Type-C charging port. Say goodbye to long charging times. Price and launch date. The Nokia N73 5G is expected to be priced around $700, making it a steal for the features it offers. As for the launch date, Nokia has been tight-lipped so far, but we'll be sure to keep you updated as soon as we hear anything official.